What's up all you good looking people out there? Except you. These guys over at Shot at Life challenged me to do something that they thought that I can't do. They said, Leroy, we want you to eat a tablespoon of cinnamon.
Lord of mercy.
That's it? Only a tablespoon? Well, just look what I'll do. Me not eating 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm eating boom spoon of cinnamon. Alright guys, so here's the cinnamon. You can read it yourself. Cinnamon, boom. Okay, now the spoon is full of cinnamon. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys can clearly see that was an epic fail. That's the nastiest thing I've ever tasted.
Nasty.
If you're ever challenged to do something, don't try and be an overachiever. I'm just saying, people. I'm just saying. Anywho, now that my challenge is done, here's a riddle for you guys. So if you think you know the answer to that riddle, leave it below down in the boombox. Well, that's it. I'm your favorite Jamaican, Leroy Kenton. Boom. Oh. Well, I have a quick fix solution for the kids out there that don't want to do no more chores, and for the parents out there that want all the chores done. Get a Jamaican grandma. But if you get a Jamaican grandma and you're a kid, of course at the beginning they'll be strict to make sure that you get all the chores done. But I found out that they only do that for a little while.